Good day, grade 7 learners. Welcome to our MAPE class. I'm your teacher, Sir Joseph, and today we're going to have fun and have an active lesson about fundamental skills, focusing on locomotor and non-locomotor skills. Now, take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Are you ready to move, learn, and have fun? Great! Let's begin. In our previous lesson, we talked about festival dances, colorful, lively, and full of movement. Do you still remember some examples? Yes, like Sinulog, Ati-Atihan, and Mascara festivals. Now, before we dance gracefully and confidently, we need to understand the basic movement that make dancing possible. And that's what we'll explore for today. Let's start by waking up our muscles. Now, stand up, stretch your arms, roll your shoulders, and shake your legs. Are you ready? Ready. 1, 2, 3. Stretch up high. Now bend forward, twist your waist gently, and shake it up. Awesome! That's it! Did you notice how our body moves in a different ways? Some movement made us travel from one place to another, while some were done right where we stood. These movements have names and we're about to learn them. There are two types of basic movement in physical education, and these are locomotor and non-locomotor skills. Let's start with locomotor skills. These are the movements that allow you to move from one place to another. For example, walking, running, jumping, hopping, skipping, and leaping. Imagine you were walking to your classroom, running a game, or jumping for a joy. These are locomotor movement. They help us travel from one place to another freely. Next, we have non-locomotor skills. These are movements that are done while staying in one place. Examples are bending, stretching, twisting, turning, and swaying. Thinking about you reach up to get something from your shelf or stretch your arms when you wake up. That's a non-locomotor movement. These actions help us stay flexible and balanced. Both locomotor and non-locomotor skills are important. They build strength, coordination, and confidence. Whether you are dancing, playing, or exercising, these movements are always part of what you do. So remember, locomotor means moving from one place to another, while non-locomotor means moving while staying in one spot. Both are important in physical education because they help us develop control, rhythm, and grace in all our movement. Now, let's take a moment to reflect. Movement is not just about dancing or sports. It's about keeping our bodies healthy and our minds active. When we move, our hearts become stronger, our muscles get flexible, and we feel happier. Remember, every time you walk, stretch, or jump, you are helping your body grow stronger. Movement is a gift. Let's use it to stay active, healthy, and confident every day. That's all for today, class. I hope you had fun learning about locomotor and non-locomotor skills. Always remember, stay active, keep moving, and take care of your body. Bye!